Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel. Today I'm taking you inside one of the most outrageous creations ever to roll on four wheels. Forget everything you think you know about RVs, because Ferrari just built a motorhome that costs $4 million and it puts luxury yachts to absolute shame. This is not just a vehicle, it's a rolling supercar mansion. And the moment you see what's inside, you'll understand why the world is talking about it. From the outside, the Ferrari motorhome screams dominance. Long aerodynamic lines flow like a grand tourer. The iconic prancing horse badge gleams on the grille, and the deep red finish announces it as pure Ferrari DNA. But what sets this apart is that it's not just about power and speed. It's about bringing Formula One prestige into a lifestyle machine that can take you across continents in ultimate comfort. Step inside and the first thing that hits you is the design. Imagine stepping into a luxury villa, but every surface is handcrafted by Ferrari's own artisans. The living room features Italian leather seating with diamond stitching, carbon fiber accents across the panels, and a panoramic skylight that floods the cabin with natural light. Hidden inside the sleek walls is a 100-inch 4K smart screen that turns the lounge into your private cinema. The kitchen is equally jaw-dropping. Precision machined appliances, a marble countertop, touch control induction stove, wine storage, and even a custom espresso system designed with Ferrari's own branding. It's not just about eating, it's about experiencing Ferrari luxury with every single detail. Moving to the bedroom, you find a king-size floating bed with adaptive suspension technology that keeps you perfectly balanced no matter how rough the road gets. The walls are upholstered in Alcantara, the same material used in Ferrari's race cars. But here it's been softened to feel like a five-star suite. Smart controls adjust lighting, temperature, and privacy at the touch of a button. And then there's the bathroom, a space more luxurious than most apartments. Heated marble floors, rainfall shower with LED ambiance, gold fixtures, and a vanity that rivals those in luxury hotels. This isn't just an RV bathroom, it's a private spa on wheels. But let's not forget what's under the hood. Ferrari equipped this beast with a twin-turbo V12 engine, producing enough power to make this the fastest motorhome on the planet. Yet it rides smoother than most limousines, thanks to an adaptive suspension system tuned by Ferrari engineers. This $4 million Ferrari motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a statement of power, prestige, and performance, blending supercar heritage with world-class luxury living. If yachts rule the seas, this machine rules the open road.